Good morning. This is Mohan, your virtual wellness and happiness coach for the day. We always want to have a beautiful and successful day. For this, let us first create thoughts of being a beautiful day today. Sit comfortably and relax yourself. Let's close our eyes slowly. Everything around us is silent and peaceful. We are feeling the gentle breeze which is touching our body. The nature around us is in complete silence. But of course, we are able to hear the chirping of birds and to the sounds created by the breeze touching the leaves of the trees. Let's now concentrate on our breathing, letting it inside our body and energize every part of our body, and letting it go by sending all negative vibrations releasing out from our body. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your time in feeling and enjoying your breath every second. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. We are completely relaxed now. Our body is free from all tensions. We are calm and composed. We are now focused and ready to create positive affirmations. Let's now affirm and visualize a beautiful day today. Today is a beautiful day, and I fill my body with this energy. I experience a most magical and amazing day. Today is filled with all possibilities, and I utilized to the fullest extent. Today is a brand new day which I have never seen before and will never come back. My day brings the energy of peace, calm, and happiness. I utilize every moment of this day to create a journey that is meaningful for me. I see the opportunity to grow, and I'm successful today. In this beautiful day, I choose my thoughts and actions. I'm positive. I'm filled with God's energy today. I move on without thinking about past or future. I relish and enjoy the present. It is a gifted day and I'm feeling blessed. Slowly open your eyes and feel the beginning of this beautiful, successful, and a happy day. See you tomorrow with another set of affirmation. Thank you. Have a beautiful day ahead.